In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and manage product categories in your Wix online store, and we're aiming to do this in about 2.5 minutes. Let's dive in. First off, you'll want to open the Wix editor or Studio using Google Chrome. This ensures that you have the most compatible and fluid experience while making your edits. Once you're on the Wix dashboard, look for the Wix Stores icon on the sidebar. Click on it to access the product manager, the central hub for all your store products. Now that you're inside the product manager, we're going to set up some new product categories and subcategories. This step is essential in organizing your products in a way that's intuitive and accessible for your customers. To start, find the categories section, usually located somewhere at the top or to the side. You'll see an option to add new category. Click on it, and then enter the name of your main category. Feel free to create as many main categories as you need, but this is also where you should think about how to make the shopping experience as straightforward as possible for your visitors. Once you've set up your main categories, it's time to dive a bit deeper by creating subcategories. Subcategories help to further refine the organization, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Within each main category, you'll see an option to add subcategories. Name these as necessary, keeping in mind the relevance to your products and the ease of navigation for your shoppers. With your categories and subcategories in place, the next step is to assign your products to the most appropriate ones. Back in the product manager, you'll see your list of products. Select a product and you'll notice options to assign it to a category. Simply choose the relevant category and, if applicable, a subcategory that best fits the product. This ensures that when customers browse through your store, they can easily find related products grouped together. After assigning all your products, it's time to customize how these categories are displayed on your site. Navigate to the store settings where you can adjust the display options to suit your preference. You might find options to alter the layout or how the categories appear on the menu. A helpful tip here is to think about your audience. Consider what would make their shopping experience most seamless and adjust your display accordingly. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, always remember to save your work. This is crucial. After saving, go ahead and publish your online store. This step makes all the changes visible to your customers, and that's it. With this setup, your store is now more organized, making it easier for customers to navigate and find exactly what they're looking for. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you next time for more tips on optimizing your online store.